Do you have clients that you do work for all month long, but you only want to send them one single invoice at the end of the month? Trying to remember every little task you did is a nightmare. That is exactly what delayed charges are for. They let you keep a running tab for a customer. Similarly, delayed credits let you save a discount for their next bill. Today, I'll show you how to build a tab and turn it into a final invoice. Let's start by logging a service you just finished but don't want to bill for yet. Head up to your Master Plus Create button in the top left, and under the Customers column, click on Delayed Charge. Select your customer and the exact date you performed the work. Add your products or services just like you would on a normal invoice. Here is the magic part. When you hit Save and Close, this does not hit your accounting books. It doesn't show up as income on your P&L, and it doesn't bother your customer. It just sits in QuickBooks, waiting for you. Now let's say you promised this same customer a credit to use on their next bill. Go back to Plus Create and select Delayed Credit. Just like an invoice, you must select a product or service. If the customer is returning a physical item, selecting that product here is vital because it tells QuickBooks to eventually add that item back into your inventory count. If you are just giving a general goodwill credit, you can select a service item like discounts given. Enter the amount, and hit Save and Close. Again, this stays behind the scenes until you are ready to invoice. Fast forward to the end of the month. It's time to get paid. Go to Plus Create and open a standard invoice. The second you select that specific customer from the dropdown, QuickBooks will slide open a drawer on the right side of your screen. It shows every delayed charge and delayed credit you've logged for them all month long. You can click Add on individual items, or just click Add All at the top of that drawer. QuickBooks instantly builds your invoice, calculating the total of your charges minus your delayed credits. Review it, hit Save and Send, and you are done. No more forgotten tasks or lost revenue. If this quick guide helped you streamline your monthly billing, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.